Will this what's in my fridge work out right? Oliver Free and Sally Secret. Welcome to Oliver Free and Sally's Secret. Today I'm doing what's in my fridge, and last time I couldn't do it, so let's just get started right now. We have a little bit of organic tomato ketchup, apple juice, fruit punch. We do have more of those. See, right here. We do have more. Don't worry. Pickles. These are organic butter. Everything here is organic, just so you guys know. Liquor. I don't drink this as much because kids don't drink alcohol. Ranch dressing. Hawaiian barbecue sauce. Hershey's hot fudge. A bottle of Coke. 200 calories. Organic Caesar dressing. That's probably for Caesar salad. Oh, here we go. We have another bottle of ranch. Buffalo sauce. Buffalo sauce. So you know that's buffalo sauce. Oh, sorry. Oh, liquor. Chunky mild salsa and Mike's Hard Lemonade. I'm not going to show you. Moving on over here, we have real mayonnaise. Of course, it's real. 1 yogurt. And organic apple juice. We also have Italian dressing, my favorite dressing ever. Ready Whip. So I'm gonna have to close this just so you know. Just so they know it's okay. Good. Okay, I got everything there except Daisy's whipped cream. I'm gonna show you that. I have two packages of organic beef. More beef, I think. Okay. Real organic orange juice. We have another pancakes. They're already eaten, so I'm not going to eat them. Moving on to the top area. It's going to be awkward now. I'm just climbing up top area. Oh, we also have this just meat. So let's see what we have up here. We have pineapple cottage cheese. Okay, milk. 4 cartons of milk. 4 cartons. Oh yeah, that's 4 cartons. Raspberries. A ton of yogurt. What is this? Let me just find out what that is, guys. A cucumber. 18 eggs. Let's move on. Chicken nuggets. Organic tomato soup. That's what we have. Let's just move on to the bottom. Back to the bottom. We have, this is our cheese. We have mild cheddar, mini Baby Bell natural. See, we have a lot of those. Butter, which is typically not cheese. And feta. One little thing. 1 bottle of ketchup. Thank you for watching this episode of Oliver Free and Sally's Secret. As you see, this is going to be the 2nd episode of season 4. I'll get the link. I'll go check out season 4. Season 4, episode 1. The title is S-E E1. Wait, it's S4E1. Goodbye, everybody.